Hey guys, it's Jules. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to do a dorm haul. I have everything right next to me. Alright, well let's just get started with the video. Let me show you everything that I have and I've bought recently for my dorm and what I had in my house that I'm going to bring over. Let's get started. Right here, it kind of has everything for like my kitchen and stuff like that. So, to start off, I have a single serve coffee maker. It's like a Keurig, but it's so much cheaper, and I think this is just from Walmart. It's by the brand Mainstays. It's black. Keeping with the aesthetic. If it was white, I would have loved it so much more, but I'm not that picky. This is kind of like my desk sort of thing, but it's just in this bag. It's just a mini fan. It plugs into the wall, and then there's settings in the back. It's off, low, and then high. The absolute most important thing ever is a Brita, because you're just gonna have your sink, unless you're in like a suite and you have a kitchen on your floor that you can use, but so you need clean water, unless you plan on bringing a full water tank with you that dispenses you water like you'll have at home. So I just brought this Brita, and it filters your water. If you tap in here, you change the filter whenever it tells you right here. It gives you instructions. Just please buy one. It's so good. It saves you a lot of money on buying water bottles because that's so bad for the earth. Next, I have these plates in my house. They're just cardboard plates that I have from Costco, so I figured I'd just bring them along because I don't have plates yet, so I'm just going to use these until I run out, then I'll go buy myself some plates. Next, I just have some utensils from home. I have this that I bought from Home Goods. It's an avocado saver. You just put half your avocado in here when you don't use it. I have a knife that I bought at Home Goods also, and a bunch of utensils, forks, spoons, knives, stuff like that. Put it back in its rightful spot. I'm keeping everything in reusable bags, like a Lululemon one, IKEA, and I have a Marshalls bag over there. Just so that I don't have to take so many trips because we have a certain amount of time when we move in. This isn't the kitchen theme, but it's in this bag also. It's just a curtain for wherever I can put it. It's silver. I have this in my hometown house. Now I live in an apartment with my parents. This is what I had there, and I don't have it here. I actually do have it to like separate the bathroom from here, but I still have an extra, so I just want to bring this with me. I guess you can call this kitchen aesthetic sort of stuff, but it's just a first aid kit, and I just filled it up. I put Tums, Advil, cough drops, there's rubbing alcohol pads in Neosporin, Band-Aids in the bottom. I put some bobby pins here. You never know what you need. So I have that. And then I also had these red Solo cups that were just in my house. So I figured I'd just bring them because I still don't have cups, I don't have plates, and I have mugs, but they're just in my kitchen, so I'm just going to bring them later, like pack them later, so I don't have to take it away from my house while I'm using them right now, because they're my mugs that I have that I've like gone out and bought. They're just in the cabinet right now. And next is this lamp that I got from Home Goods. I just put in a light here, and it's gold and white and little black and white detailing for the cord, and here's the switch, and it's actually really cool because it has a USB port, so I can charge my phone there while I have this connected to the wall, so it doesn't waste the outlet on the wall. And then in here, I'm using everything. As you can see, this is for like some sort of bedding that I had. This is bedding that I have in my other house. Okay, I have two towels that I just washed because you have to wash your towels and your sheets before you actually use them, because then there's chemicals and other people might have touched it and you don't really want that on your body. And then I have these pink and white sheets. Pink is really out of my comfort zone, but I really like them, so I got them. Those are from Marshalls. They were $16, twin XL. And then my towels are just gray, light gray, because I like that. This is from TJ Maxx. It was $20. It's just a bed protector, mattress pad, whatever it's called. I think it's like waterproof, odor neutralizing, stain release. hypoallergenic fill, and perfect grip skirt. It's for twin extra large, which is the same size as every dorm bed. And I just got this massive box that's from Walmart, and it has like this white faux leather, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like diamond shapes. This is the box for it. What is this? Is this a compartment? Oh, it's for the bottom. That's actually the bottom right here. I literally almost just threw this out in my trash. So then here's another one. I just got two. Holds a lot of stuff. As you can see, I was kind of planning on putting it in something like this, like in an organizer. So I have two of those for organization. Also, I have this cart that my camera is sitting on right now that I'm gonna bring. It's just a cart from IKEA. I will put a picture right here of what it looks like. Everyone has it. It's from IKEA. You can also get them at Target, Michael's, the craft store. They have them everywhere. Really good purchases. I use it all the time. I have my plants on the top. I have my chapstick, face mask, scrunchie, bowl, perfume, and then on the bottom I just have like literally miscellaneous stuff. Alright, now this is like the miscellaneous bag. Got the randomest stuff in here. But I have another bin. In this bag I just have a bunch of command hooks and then these little things that go in the bottom of your chair so it doesn't scratch the floor. Ziploc bags, but I actually want to buy reusable Ziploc bags, which is from Amazon, and I saw it there and I was like, I want to buy that, but I'm gonna run out. I'm gonna use all of these first and then I'm gonna buy them. For my bed decorating, if you don't know what that is, it's when your friends and your family like decorate your bed with all like stuff that goes with this color scheme of your school. There's a hair in my bag, so that's why I'm trying to get it out. It goes with the color scheme of your school and they get you clothes and stuff like that. Not everyone does it, but my town does it, so we did it. Some of my friends came over and it was really cute, and I really appreciated it and it was really nice. And my mom got me these. These are just normal coffee, Arabica coffee. Then I also have Krispy Kreme coffee, because Krispy Kreme is my favorite place in the world. It has the best donuts, best coffee. Highly recommend. I actually just got these. They're just some storage bins that I'm going to put inside my desk. They're from Marshalls. I spent $5 on them. There's just 3 sections, and I'm going to put either like makeup, hair stuff, or school stuff. You know, I am going to school for education. And then I have another container. I feel like this one's more like for school stuff because it's bigger. This one's more like for cutesy stuff. I also put my calculator, some post-its, stuff like that, you know? Next is this massive container for storage. It has so many elements to it. It's from Marshalls. It was $15. There's a really big one that's like this is the base one. That's how big it is. And then there's a smaller one inside of it that's like half of it. And then 2 of these shaped ones that are just kind of like this. And then we have 2 circle ones and 2 square ones. Pretty cool. I'm gonna definitely use this inside my desk. Okay. Next, I have a mini cutting board. I have this one at home, and my parents use it for lemons literally every day because they put that in their water and in their coffee. It's pretty good. So I just have the mini cutting board because there's not a lot of space. I don't want to have a big cutting board. And then next I have another little mini first aid kit. And then I have this little light that you plug into a cube. You can put into the wall. It's from IKEA. From my bed decorating also that I haven't eaten, I have Pop-Tarts. Because I'm going to Montclair, my theme was red, so I think it was red. Nah. Just a thing of paper, and I have a notebook also. It's green because my favorite color is green. I don't know why I have this, but I have this big roll of tape. Then I have my absolute favorite salt. This may sound weird, but garlic salt is so good. I also have to go get everything bagel spice from Trader Joe's. This from Trader Joe's also. And then I have this hook that you just stick on the door and you can put like your towel, your bags, keys if you really want. I don't know, it's just really practical, it's really small. I have some napkins. I don't want to put those on the floor because then they'll get dirty. More tape. I really just have a lot of tape. I got something to tape up something. A scissor, some cards cards and envelopes, and my mom probably bought this just so I can send her mail. Maybe also my brother, my uncle. No. Probably just send this to my mom. And grandpa. For sure. And then, oh, here it is. Here's my green notebook. I also have a black one that was like half used, so I took out the used papers. Just recycle it, you know. A cute little folder. I'm guessing my mom was really excited to buy this because she probably wanted it for herself and just use the excuse to buy it for me, and then if I don't want it, she's gonna have it. But she knows that. I have this like paper holder from Target. That's so cute. Love it. And then this is also for my bed decorating. It's just a bunch of things in red, like these little clips, some tacks. There's this in here in this cute little container. I'm definitely gonna reuse that after. And there's a reusable. I don't know if this is reusable, but it's just a little spoon and a knife, a spife, more tape. How much tape do I need? If you need tape, let me know. Call me, Snapchat me, text me, DM me if you need tape, you know? If you need tape, I'm here for you. Aw, cute. My mom had a picture of herself in here. And then I just have index cards. They're really colorful because the only way you're gonna learn is if you have something colorful, or if you color coordinate, if you use colorful pens, you're gonna learn better. It's just a fact. Because you're gonna enjoy your time studying. Then I have a buttload of these clear sleeves that you just put your paper in so that it stays nicely. These are from Thirsty Stone. Probably from Target or Home Goods or Marshalls, one of those things. They're just like marbly coasters. They're, I think, ceramic with cork on the bottom. This little kit, it's from a bank that my aunt gave me, and it's just a little sewing kit. I know how to sew, so that's kind of fun if I ever have anything I need to sew. And then some glue. So that's like, that's not everything. Next is my bedding. I love it. This is the absolute cutest bedding ever. I saw it with I went shopping with my boyfriend and I saw this, and then I called up my mom that night. I was going to my college orientation. I called up my mom on the way to orientation, and I was like, I just got makeup on. I'm like, Mom, I just saw my dream bedding. I need to get it. So after my orientation, it was two days. It was an overnight. So the next day, I went back and I bought it, and I'm so excited. It was originally $78, but at Marshalls it was $60. It looks like this. Look how cute. Twin XL, as always, and it has two pieces. So what's in it? One comforter and one standard sham. So one pillowcase for decoration and one comforter. And then I just use this as kind of like a storage thing. I have this marble tray that I don't know where to put. Maybe I'll put my coffee maker on top of it. That'd be cute. And then some coffee thingies. Not bad. And then I have this. It's just a magnetic wallpaper. I'm gonna put it on my maid fridge that I still need to get. And then here are my sheets again. I got two sets because you always want to have new sheets. These were $16. It's just a twin sheet. I didn't get the twin XL just because they didn't have it in this color, and I really wanted to get this one again or this marble one. But they only had that in queen, and I don't have a queen bed. I only have a twin here, twin XL for school, and a full in my house in Pennsylvania. So I just have to get twin and hope it fits. This one I didn't wash it because my mom wanted me to make sure that it fits. She can fold it nicely. If it doesn't, I return it. Even though like TJ Maxx, we literally live there all the time. We go there all the time, and they're gonna accept the return. But it's this really cute color. That's the brand Artesian Deluxe Home, established 2009. So really cute. It was originally $28, so we saved a lot. I would like to think that I'm a really good bargain shopper because everything here was on a really good deal. So that is it. I still need to pack my clothes. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe so you see more videos from me, and like the video if you really liked it so that I know. And I'll see you next time. Hasta la vista, chicas.